Why, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am just doing a quick video on how I trim Saray's hair. And no, this is not a tutorial on how to cut hair. This is more like a watch me trim my daughter's hair video. And for you guys that don't know, I did graduate cosmetology school back in 2009. And no, I am currently not a hairdresser, just a personal hairdresser for my kids. I did work in a hair salon for a bit, but it didn't really work out because that was like around the time when the economy was just garbage. So I just ended up doing a lot of, under the table stuff for clients or close friends. But anyway, right here I'm just showing that I'm cutting about like an inch of hair off just because during the summer, Saray was just swimming like almost every day. Oh, hey, DJ. But yeah, so she was like swimming almost every day, plus the hot sun, and her ends got so dried out. So now it's time to trim the dead ends to promote healthier hair growth. And I have been the only one that's been cutting her hair. Nobody else has ever cut her hair. And oh my gosh, look at the boys in the back. They are crazy. But yeah, anyway, so I have always been the one that's been cutting her hair, and I am such a perfectionist when it comes to this type of stuff. It's really actually hard cutting a baby's hair or like a toddler's hair just because they always move, and you always got to straighten out their head, but I always go back and make sure that everything is even. And this never fails. So every time I cut Saray's hair, she always falls asleep on the chair. Okay, same sis, same. Look at her little bedroom eyes just staring into your soul. She is the absolute cutest. But anyways, the signs to know when you need a trim is if you see split ends, dry ends, or if you're brushing your hair and you could just tell that it gets easily tangled. Yeah, it's definitely time for a trim. So here is me just checking if everything is all even and just straightening out her head, and Dario's in the background just vacuuming up the hair every like 2 seconds because DJ is just a menace and he will be running through that hair like crazy. And it is the teamwork for me, okay? So for a successful marriage, make sure that the teamwork is on point. So right here, I just made like a last minute decision to give her like a little bit of layers in the back. So this is what I'm doing here, and I have Dario trying to keep her awake and keeping her head straight. So I started cutting Saray's hair, I believe when she was like around 1 year old. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like I have not really been consistent with the trimming of her hair, but that is okay. But at least I have been consistent with everything else, so yeah. This is like probably my millionth time checking if it's even, but I mean, I'm a perfectionist, what can I say? But I just have to say that I am so proud of my baby for sitting as still as possible while I cut her hair. She is truly amazing. Alright, so after I cut her hair, I went ahead and rehydrated her hair with my little concoction. And if you guys don't know what it is hot water with coconut oil and whatever leave-in conditioner I use. I believe with this mixture, I use the Cantu for Kids leave-in conditioner. Then after that, I just use the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I just massage it throughout her hair, especially towards her ends. And yeah, that's basically it. And I just let it air dry after that. And this is what her hair is looking like after a fresh cut. It is brand new. And you could just see the overall healthiness, okay? Look how amazing it looks. It feels amazing. And we are all done. I hope that you guys enjoyed this short little video on how I trim Saray's hair. And don't let that yawn fool you because she did ask to make some hot chocolate after this video. But yeah, guys, let me know what else you would like to see. And bye!